Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Fun Books and Taste Gets. And today is Tuesday, so today I will be doing a food review. And I am excited because I love Reese's. And Krispy Kreme, only from now till August 16th, I believe, they have a limited edition, 3 different kinds of Reese's Donuts. And this is what the box looks like right there. So what they did is they created 3 donuts. I think they have made these donuts in the past, but just now they just this is for a limited time. They brought them all again. So it is the Reese's Original Filled Chocolate Lovers Donut, which is this one. And this one is a chocolate original glazed donut filled with Reese's peanut butter cream, dipped in Hershey's chocolate icing, and topped with Reese's peanut butter sauce. So let's give this one a try. Oh my God. This is delicious. And look at the filling. It's filled like in the middle. It has like a filling in the middle. It's like peanut butter sauce. It is delicious. I don't even want to know the calorie content because I know I'm gonna feel so guilty because I know the gym's open, but I am so scared still to go to the gym. I need the gym so bad because I feel bad. I need to start working out again. So the next one is Reese's Outrageous Donut. And it is this one right here. Look at that beauty. So this donut is a chocolate original glazed donut dipped in Hershey's chocolate icing, topped with mini Reese's pieces and drizzled of salted caramel and Reese's peanut butter sauce. That sounds delicious. That sounds so good. So let's see. It is good. The Reese's pieces on top is too much for me. I prefer the other donut, the prior donut that I had. The filling with the stuffed peanut butter sauce filling inside. That was better. That was very good. This is good, but it's too much. But if you love Reese's pieces, this is for you. It is good. It is good, but not as good as the other one. Then last but not least, it is the Reese's Classic Donut, which is this one right here. And it says, a donut filled with Reese's peanut butter cream, dipped in Hershey's chocolate icing, topped with mini peanut butter chips, and drizzle of chocolate and Reese's peanut butter sauce. So let's see. So it's stuffed donuts. Let me open it and see. Hi, sweet. It's only stuffed like in the side. Like I opened the donut and it has like a little stuff right there, but then the rest of the donut is not stuffed. It's just that part right there. Yeah, just that part. So let's give it a try. Mm-mm. OMG. This donut is delicious. I said that I was only gonna have a bite of each donut and that's it because of the calories. But for this one, I'm gonna eat the whole donut. I think I deserve it. I only ate a salad in the whole day just because I know it's gonna make this video. So I just only ate a salad because, like I said, I need to lose 20 pounds. So this is delicious. Oh my god. Delicious. Go get it. This is a limited time only at Krispy Kreme. I think it's only till August 16 or 19. I think it's 16, either of those two, 16 or 19. I'm not sure. I think it's the 16. So go try them. My favorite is this one, the Reese's Classic Donut. Then the Reese's Original Filled Chocolate Lovers Donut. My least favorite was the one with the Reese's Pieces on top because for me, it was too much. But they are delicious. Go get them. And I hope you like the video. Hit like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos with your family and friends. And goodbye till next time. Bye bye.